गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज का टॉपिक है हमारा एडवांस सर्वेइंग का कर्व। कर्व क्या होता है स्टूडेंट? अ कर्व इज नथिंग बट इट इज़ एन आर्क विच कनेक्ट्स टू स्ट्रेट लाइंस which are separated by some angle. That angle is called as deflection angle. Why it is provided? It is provided because the alignment of a roadway or railway changes its direction because of unavoidable objects or conditions. The objects are like hill हो सकता है, lake हो सकता है, temple हो सकता है. So for the easy of movement of vehicles at this point we will be provided curve. Topic is टाइप्स ऑफ कर्व. कितने टाइप्स के कर्व्स होते हैं? सो देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ कर्व स्टूडेंट, हॉरिजॉन्टल कर्व एंड वर्टिकल कर्व. हॉरिजॉन्टल कर्व इज व्हाट? द कर्व विच इज प्रोवाइडेड ऑन अ हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन ऑफ अर्थ, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड एज हॉरिजॉन्टल कर्व. सो इन हॉरिजॉन्टल कर्व two straight lines which are in the same level but having different directions are connected by an arc is called as horizontal arc. Now students, horizontal curves are also further divided into following curve. The first is simple circular curve, second is compound curve, third is reverse curve, fourth is transition curve, fifth is spiral curve, seventh is लेमिनिस्केट कर्व. वन बाय वन हम इनको समझते हैं. पहला है हमारा सिंपल सर्कुलर कर्व. सिंपल सर्कुलर कर्व इज व्हाट? इट इज़ एन नॉर्मल हॉरिजॉन्टल कर्व विच कनेक्ट टू स्ट्रेट लाइन विद अ कांस्टेंट रेडियस. जैसे कि आप डायग्राम में देख रहे होंगे फ्रेंड्स, टेंजेंट ए बी एंड टेंजेंट बी सी आर कनेक्टिंग वाई एन आर्क दैट इज T1 and T2. So T1 and T2 is the length of arc. It is a simple circular curve friends. Now next one is compound curve. क्या होता है friends? Compound curve is a combination of two or more simple circular curve. हम ये कह सकते हैं friends, जब दो simple circular curve को हम connect करेंगे but with a different radius. यहाँ पे important क्या चीज़ है कि दो सिंपल सर्कुलर कर्व हैं, उन्हें हम डिफरेंट रेडियस के साथ कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं एंड इट विल गिव्स अस कंपाउंड कर्व. ये हमें क्या देगा? कंपाउंड कर्व. जैसे कि आपको डायग्राम में मेंशन है, द सिंपल सर्कुलर कर्व फर्स्ट इज T1 एंड T2, द लेंथ ऑफ कर्व, एंड द अनदर सिंपल सर्कुलर कर्व इज T2 टू T3. सो दीज टू सिंपल सर्कुलर कर्व कनेक्ट एंड गिव्स अस कंपाउंड कर्व. नाउ नेक्स्ट है हमारा रिवर्स कर्व. Reverse curve is what? Reverse curve is also when connecting two simple circular curve but bending in opposite direction or meet at a point. कहने का मतलब क्या है इसमें फ्रेंड्स? जब दो सिंपल सर्कुलर कर्व को हमने अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में जॉइंट करवाया तो हमें क्या मिला? रिवर्स कर्व दिया. क्या दिया उसने? रिवर्स कर्व दिया. दिस पॉइंट इज आल्सो कॉल्ड एज पॉइंट ऑफ रिवर्स कर्वेचर. हम डायग्राम की मदद से इसको समझते हैं. सो फ्रेंड, दिस वाज a reverse curvature. The first curvature simple circular curve is D to C and the second simple circular curve is C to E, but they are connecting in a opposite direction, so that's why it is called as reverse curve. Now next is transition curve. Transition curve क्या होता है? A curve is a wherever radius is termed as a transition curve. Transition curve is also a simple circular curve but connecting with a different radius, then it gives a transition curve. So generally transition curve provides on the sides of circular curve or between the tangent and circular curve between two curves of compound curve or reverse curve. So here it is a combination of two curve, compound curve or reverse curve. As mentioned in the diagram, the first curve is a transition path and the second is a circular path. So the first transition path is called as a compound and the second one is the circular curve. So next is spiral curve. Spiral curve is what? Spiral is a type of transition curve. So why is it required? So it is recommended by the IRC, Indian Congress as ideal transition curve because of its smooth introduction of centrifugal acceleration. It is also known as clothoids. The spiral curve is provided, friends, in a hilly areas. This was a spiral curve as mentioned in the diagram. Now next one is lemniscate curve. It is also a type of transition curve which is used when the deflection angle is very large. What is mentioning, the important thing is deflection angle is very large. So in lemniscate, the curve of radius of curve is more if the length of chord is less. Next curve is vertical curves. So basically vertical curves is provided in a vertical plane of earth. It's called as vertical curve. It is generally provided in a hilly areas where the alignment of road is an undulation. So the types of curves are provided when the ground is non-uniform or contains different levels at different point. In general, this curve is like a parabolic curve. So vertical curve alignment of road for the ease of movement of vehicles, but based on the convexity of curve, it is further divided into two types. The first one is valley curve or second one is summit curve. What is valley curve? Valley curve connect falling gradient with rising gradient. So that's why it is also called as a sag curve. Next is the diagram that is mentioned. This was a sag. यहाँ पे sag बन रहा है डायग्राम में नीचे की तरफ, तो इसीलिए इसको हम बोलेंगे वैली कर्व. नेक्स्ट आता है हमारा समिट कर्व. समिट कर्व कनेक्टिंग राइज ग्रेडियंट विथ फॉलिंग ग्रेडियंट. इसमें क्या होगा, ग्रेडियंट राइज होगा देन फॉल होगा. सो दैट्स वाई द टॉप मोस्ट पॉइंट इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ क्रेस्ट. सो दिस कर्व इज आल्सो कॉल्ड एज अ क्रेस्ट कर्व. इसे हम क्रेस्ट कर्व भी बोलेंगे. द डायग्राम show the crest curve. So thank you so much friends.